Every day, thousands of vehicles begin their journey across cities, highways, and long open roads. For businesses, every trip matters. Deliveries must arrive on time, drivers must stay safe, and fleets must operate with complete visibility. Because when vehicles are moving, decisions must move just as fast. That's where intelligent tracking technology comes in. Using advanced GPS connectivity, every vehicle's location and movement can be monitored in real time, bringing complete visibility to every journey. AI-powered dashcams continuously watch the road ahead, detecting risky situations, alerting drivers instantly, and helping prevent potential accidents before they happen. At the same time, smart fuel monitoring keeps track of fuel levels inside the vehicle, detecting sudden drops, identifying unusual activity, and helping businesses protect one of their most valuable operational resources. Together, these connected technologies create a smarter way to manage fleets, improving safety, increasing efficiency. From logistics companies to commercial fleets, intelligent telematics is transforming how vehicles move and how businesses grow. Every mile becomes more transparent. Every journey becomes smarter. Pictor Telematics, driving the future of intelligent fleet technology.